welcome to another travel vlog. We are going to Tokyo and Sapporo again. Why? Kasi nabitin ako nung Sapporo trip namin last time kasi nga nagkasakit si Mateo. So, hindi kami masyadong nakapag-ikot. So, napag-isipan namin na kaming siblings naman yung magbabiyahe sa Japan. We are taking ANA again. And at the time of booking, compared to PAL, Cebu Pacific, and Japan Airlines, yun yung mga na-consider kong airlines, pinakamura pa rin lumabas si ANA. And surprisingly, mas mura pa lumabas if we're going to do a stopover first in Tokyo before we fly to Sapporo, rather than flying from Manila direct to Sapporo, katulad ng ginawa namin last time. I think na-avail kasi namin kay ANA yung free domestic travel nila, kaya medyo reasonable yung naging plane fare namin. So to avail of the promo, when you book, go to search multiple cities. Then, input your travel dates and the cities you want to visit in Japan, making Tokyo your first stop. Your stopover in Tokyo should also be for more than 24 hours to avail of the promo. So for this trip, we are going to Tokyo and Sapporo. Since ako gusto ko rin naman bumalik ng Tokyo because yung last 2 times na nag-Tokyo kami, may kasama kaming seniors, so hindi rin kami masyadong nakapag-ikot. So feeling ko, ang dami ko pang hindi napupuntahan sa Tokyo. By the way, we got it for $512. So at the time of booking, para mga nasa 30,000 pesos lang siya per person. And we think that's reasonable already, especially considering the prices of airfares right now. Tapos naka-Tokyo, Sapporo pa kami. So anyway, for today, we're going to share with you again our experience flying with ANA from Manila to Tokyo. Our flight is at 9:10 a.m. this morning. We plan to be at the airport by 6 a.m. And we will also be sharing with you yung Airbnb naman na nakuha namin sa Tokyo. So that's it. We'll go to the airport first. We'll see you. Hello, we're already here at the airport. Papakita ko lang sa inyo yung baggage drop ni ANA, walang pila. Ayan. So, better for you to do online check-in para mas mabilis. Yung kabila is yung regular check-in na hindi nag-online check-in. Kakadating lang namin, time check. It's 6:10. So, kami na yung susunod sa counter. Sina Alvin actually nandun na sa harapan. Hello! Nandito na kami lahat. Nakalampas na kami ng immigration. Again, walang pila sa check-in. Mas mabilis yung mga nag-online check-in ng ANA compared dun sa mga hindi nag-online check-in. Mas mahaba yung pila nila. So, make sure to do online check-in. And wala ding pila sa immigration. So, actually, nakapag-breakfast na rin kami and we're just waiting for boarding. So, we'll see you! This is how the economy seats of ANA's B787 aircraft looks like. There's the screen, the TV remote, and a folding tray table. In the seat pocket, you will find the headphones, magazine, safety instruction manual, and air sickness bag. They also provide a blanket for a more comfortable flight since it can get quite chilly. And here's the seat recline button. The seat itself and legroom is pretty comfortable for a short-haul flight.
Nothing should block the aisle or exits.
離陸・着陸の際は座席とテーブルを元の位置にお戻しください。
Return your seat and table to the original position for takeoff and landing.
We are already getting ready for takeoff, so let's check the in-flight entertainment. They have a number of movies, both old and new. It's just pretty hard to choose because you have to scroll up and down one by one. The TV remote is also working fine. Here's the cabin of ANA's Boeing 787 with a 333 seat
お座りの間
configuration.
は常にシートベルトをお締めください。Please keep your seatbelt securely fastened while seated.
A few minutes after takeoff, they handed out wet wipes, and after, the crew already started with the meal service. Let's get our tray ready. They hand out these menu boards, and here are our options. I chose the chicken. Here's my meal. There's dessert, salad, appetizer, bread with unsalted butter, and my roasted chicken with calamansi sauce and garlic rice. Let's start off with the appetizer. This looks like daikon radish. And this one is tamago with seaweed. They're actually good.
Can I get that also?
What's that one?
This is lemonade.
Lemonade.
Yeah, lemonade too.
Lemonade, yes. Thank you. Let's move on to the salad. It's green mango salad with chicken breast. I didn't like the chicken so much, but the green mango was good. And now, time for our main dish. This is roasted chicken with calamansi sauce and garlic rice. It was actually really good for an airline food.
ご搭乗の皆様、おはようございます。Now we're cruising altitude of 41,000 feet, and today we expect some light minus and some.
They gave us ice cream for additional dessert, but the fruits are also sweet. The crew made a second round in case you need more drinks, or for some coffee or tea after your meal. ANA also has the seat-to-seat messaging feature. You can actually send text messages to anyone on the flight. So you can still talk to your companions even if you are not seated together. Our flight also has Wi-Fi. Unfortunately, there's a fee for economy class passengers. After 3.5 hours, we have landed at Narita International Airport. While waiting for the cabin doors to open, you will watch Pikachu getting lost at the airport.
Thank you very much and have a nice day. Thank you.
Thank you. Hello, and we have already landed here in Narita. Kamusta ang biyahe? First time with ANA. Masarap yung food. Mas masarap yung food namin ngayon than the first time, no? Masarap din si pork belly. Ha? I got the chicken, roasted chicken. Masarap siya. Si ate kinuha niya si pork belly. Kumusta? Masarap din. Masarap din. So yung food namin ngayon is better than our first flight with ANA, no? So punta muna kami sa immigration. We'll see you later. Hello, and we are already out of the airport. Medyo mahaba yung pila sa immigration, pero mabilis lang naman. Parang mga 10 minutes lang din kami nag-antay. So anyway, ngayon pupunta muna kami sa train station and we will go to Sumida kasi doon kami nakakuha ng Airbnb namin. So where is the train? There. We go there. Welcome to Tokyo! Let's go! We're here na. Nakapila kami sa ticket counter here for Skyliner. I think pwede naman bumili dito. We'll use our credit card first. Kasi dun sa Travelex, parang lugi kami dun sa exchange rate. Medyo mababa. So magka-card na lang muna kami. Mamaya na lang kami mag-withdraw. Nakabili na kami ng ticket. Ayan na, yung Skyliner namin. It's 2,580 yen per person. All reserved seats pala si Skyliner. Yung kinuha namin is the 3:59 departure. It's currently 3:30. So punta na kami sa platform namin. We are at platform 5.
Platform 5.
Yeah. Let's go! Already here at Nippori Station. Ayan na yung Skyliner namin. We have to transfer to Keisei line pa. We're loading our IC cards already para diretso na kaming sakay ng subway. We got our IC cards before during our trip to Fukuoka. So ito rin yung gamit namin ngayon. So ayan, naglo-load si Daddy ng mga IC cards namin. Finally, nandito na kami sa Keisei Sekiya Station. Naiwanan kami ng 3 train kasi hindi namin alam kung saan kami sasakay. So, now we're here. We have to transfer pa to a different train line. I think it's Tobu line. Going to our Airbnb. Ito na, last train transfer namin, Ushida to our area. Nakalimutan ko yung area namin. And we're finally here. This is our station, Higashi Miyajima. So, ayan, may mga tindahan naman around. Ipasyal ko kayo sa aming town. May drugstore dito. McDonald's is there. Ayan, may McDonald's sa kanto. May mga restaurants din siya sa gilid. So, we're going to walk there, going to our Airbnb. Malaki tong drugstore na to, oh. Yan. Lakad muna kami, and then I will share with you our Airbnb later pagdating namin dun sa unit. Ang galing, may small cart. May mga tinda. We're here. We found our Airbnb. Ito siya. Ayan, nabukas na ni Daddy yung door. Wow, look at those stairs. Okay, kaya nyo na yan. Go, boys. One by one. Mag-aakit muna kami ng maleta. Good luck. Oh, we're here. This is the kitchen. This is the first floor. Ang ataas ng hagdan. Check muna natin yung rooms. Quick look at the rooms upstairs. Oh, tingnan nyo yung stairs. Eto pala, please take off your shoes. So, pwede siguro hanggang dito. No shoes lang inside the rooms. This is the first room with 3 beds. This is the toilet. Oh, may washing machine. May washing machine, hair dryer, laundry soap. Here's the wash basin. And this is the shower area. May door siya. Meron namang shampoo, conditioner, body soap. Ano to? This is the toilet. There, yung favorite naming toilet, yung may faucet sa ibabaw. Aliw na aliw kami dyan. And they have enough supply naman of toilet paper. Check naman natin si third floor. Akyat ulit. Oh, this is the third floor. Ah, ito naman yung toilet nila. This is their, oh see, tigi-tigi sa kaming washing machine. Washing machine and ayan, yung shower naman nila. Dito may bathtub.
May ano din siya. May aircon. Hindi, may aircon to.
May common, dito, common wash basin. Tapos, ito yung rooms. Ang nice naman! So cozy! Ganda na room, oh. 3 double beds din dito sa taas. And then, ito yung extra pillows and the towels. Tapos, meron din siyang balcony sa taas. Akyat tayo. Here is our balcony. Ah! Look! I'm on top of the world! Oh, look, look, look! We have the view of the Tokyo Skytree here in the balcony. Nice. Tapos, pwede pa tayo manood ng sunset. Yeah. There, oh. So, this is the neighborhood. Nice naman. It's residential. Pero, hindi naman siya yung sobrang quiet. Marami ring mga stores around. Daddy, how much did we get this for? So, nabook namin tong Airbnb na to for almost 62,000 pesos for 4 nights for 8 packs. Mura na siya kasi, nagpipictorial. Mura na siya kasi nag-try kaming humanap ng mga hotels dun sa mga major areas like Shinjuku, Shibuya, ganyan. Pinakamababa na naming nakukuha was 100,000 plus, no, for the 8 of us. So ito, nakuha namin siya for 62,000. Not bad na. Malaki din yung bahay. And malapit din siya sa train station. So kakarating lang namin dito. We'll get settled first and explore the house a little bit more. This is the first floor. Ayan yung living room. This is our dining area. And there's the kitchen. Ang ganda ng setup niya. Para siyang industrial kitchen. Tapos meron ding toilet dito sa baba. Here. Yan. Meron din siya ditong toilet. Nice. So, yun yung mga gamit. May rice cooker, water heater, nakadilongi pa sila, and microwave. Tapos, ito yung ref. Parang ito yung ref, I think. Kasi ito nakalagay freezer. There. Ah, yeah, it's cold. Yan. Nice, nice. Ayan yung mga gamit. And yung naaliw ako sa kanya, look at this. Yung trash. May segregation na siya. Aliw. Cool. Yan. Look, look. Na-discover din namin. Ito yung TV niya. Ang galing. It's a projector. Asan siya? Where is it? That thing? Yeah. Oh. Ang linaw, ah. Nice. Nasa gilid nga lang kayo. Side view.
Hindi dyan, oh.
Dito sa ano,
Oo, sa...
kitchen, sa dining area.
Parang napanood ko na to.
Mamaya, magko-convenience stop kami. Tapos, ano, movie night. Movie night. Hello! Time check, it's 7 p.m. Palabas na kami ulit. We will have dinner. Again, yung aming tradition. First stop is Ichiran. Kasi yun yung favorite din nilang ramen, actually. So, we will have Ichiran for dinner at Asakusa. Doon muna kami mag-iikot for tonight. Kasi yun yung pinakamalapit na area dito sa Airbnb namin. We're here! We are here in Asakusa already. Daddy, what is this? There's an arcade.
Shinakadori entrance.
This is the Shinakadori entrance. Ayan, Ichiran is over there. So, doon kami pupunta.
Shinakadori.
This is Shinakadori. Hi! Ang sarap na lamig. Imagine, sa Manila, sobrang init. Dito naka-sweater kami.
19.
Such a relief from hot weather. Weather tonight is 19 degrees. Naka-sweater ako. Medyo malamig pa yung pakiramdam. And we are here in Ichiran. Ito pa rin ang kanilang favorite ramen. So let's see. There's a line. This is the line na. Nandito na kami sa Ichiran. First time nilang mag-table. Yatay style yung tawag nila. Table kami. Tapos yung style niya dito, yung mga tickets, you have to give it dun sa counter. And then you pick up your noodles there sa pick-up area. Magbibigay sila ng, anong tawag dun? Beeper. Kapag ready na yung order mo. Tapos ikaw yung magpipick up dun sa counter. So, self-service siya dito. Pero meron din silang option ng counter. Kaya lang dahil gutom na kami, sabi namin kung sa ano yung mauna, doon na lang kami.
Tsaka mabilis naman.
Oo, mabilis naman, yes. Ichiran! Bakit Ichiran again? By the way, very limited lang yung menu nila dito sa branch na to. We are in Asakusa. Wala yung green tea pudding, wala yung extra mushroom, no? So, very limited nga lang yung menu niya, unfortunately. Although marami pa rin tao, ah. So, we'll enjoy our dinner first. Hi, kamusta? First time sa table. Egg lang. Wala pa. Wala silang mushroom. Pansin nyo, walang mushroom talaga yung ramen. Yung black. Wala talaga. Enjoy! We're done eating at Ichiran. Ayan siya sa likod. So, nandito kami sa Asakusa branch. Dito kami kumain. Kamusta?
Oo.
Okay lang. Masarap pa rin naman yung broth.
Yes.
Oo. Tapos yung iba namin kasama, ayan, nag-quick 7-Eleven stop. So again, this is Asakusa. We're here. Nandito na kami. This is Shinakadori Street. Parang arcade. So maglalakad-lakad muna kami dito. Kobe beef.
Oh,
Si Spider-Man yan eh. Si Spider-Man nandiyan. Oh, may something nangyayari doon. Let's see kung ano yung ganap doon. Oh, may naabutan kaming ganap dito sa Asakusa. Ito siya, parang yung prosesyon nila, kaya lang hindi na namin inabutan. It's done. Because I think may festival dito sa Asakusa ng May 15 and 16, according dun sa ChatGPT ni Daddy. Ayan o, ang dami nila. Mga nakaano. Ang dami nila mga naka-costume sila. There.
Lakad na lang tayo pa.
Ito si Sensoji Temple. Although, kasi 9 p.m. na, so sarado na yung mga stores. Wala na rin kami naabutan. Magpipicture-picture na lang kami dito sa temple. Itong mga to, puro TikTok. Abangan niyo yung TikTok namin ha. Please follow me on TikTok and on IG. We will post our TikTok there. Pwede na.
Hindi. Ako sa dulo.
Di ba dito? Hindi ba po gano'n? Ah, dito ba? Okay, ready. 1, 2. Ready? 1, 2, 3. We're here. This is Sensoji Temple. Behind me, ayan. Gabi na, madilim na, pero ang ganda naman ng ilaw niya. Marami pa ring tao actually, kahit na 9 p.m. na. And then there's a pagoda over there. Ayan. Ganda ng ilaw.
Yes.
May mga pumupunta doon, no? Doon sa loob ng temple. Pero hindi na kami pipila. Ito ulit yung fortune. You pay 100 yen and then you get your fortune. Ginawa na namin yan before. So, hindi na namin siya gagawin. And then, if you get bad fortune, itatali mo dito yung fortune mo para hindi siya sumama sa'yo. Something like that. Dito tayo sa mga street food. Let's see what we can buy. In fairness, ang dami ng sarado ha. Pero ang dami pa rin tao. See, ang daming tao. Buhay na buhay pa rin. Bili tayo ng barbecue beef here sa dulo. 800 yen for the karubi beef. There. Si Daddy din, na-curious siya dito sa mackerel. Magkano? 800 yen. Ang galing, oh. Look! It's one whole fish. Arigato gozaimasu. May karubi. Anong lasa, Daddy?
Malamang lasang ano yan?
Uy, Daddy, anong lasa?
Hindi mainit mamaya.
Sardines? Hindi.
Galunggong.
Lansa.
Hindi siya malansa. Parang grilled siya.
Magkano 800?
Oo. Ako naman.
Ayun, dyan ako kakagat. Kaya nakakagat ako.
Kaya kumain ka na muna. Huwag mga kainin.
Ew.
Tinutong ko dyan sa...
Kayo?
Naku, oh. Kaya mo yan. Kaya mo lahat? Kaya mo yan. Kaya mo yan. Go!
Hindi ko makagat. Pero malambot siya. Yung... Hindi ko na makagat. Ang lapit mo.
Kaya kain ba tinig na to?
Tikman lang natin.
Malambot siya. Hindi ko na makagat yung part kanina. Pero masarap siya. 800 yen.
Ano ba yan?
Karubi.
Taban.
Maganda lang. Ayaw niya. Gusto niya ito.
Nasa akin yung mic. Ano, Dad?
Masarap yung pagkaalat. Ano yun? Kiss?
Kasi nasa akin yung mic.
Masarap yung pagkaalat mo.
Ano po masasabi yun dun sa kinakain niyo ulan?
Sarap, masarap.
Ikaw, madam, ano naman ang masasabi mo dun sa kinakain mo ngayon? Laban na laban. Pag nabali,
Sarap yung sauce.
Pag nabali,
Ito yung sinama namin yung mga seniors dito.
Ano yan? Merong ano dito. May poso. Ang kukulit. Malamig, malamig. Ang ganda oh. Dito din kami nanggaling kanina. Ang ganda ng lanterns. Wala na yung mga nagfe-festival, malinis na. Yung mga buildings dito may mga random na mga ganyang statue. Oh. May nagsasant dun sa loob. Ayun din oh. Oo nga, may random statue din dito sa taas oh. There. Anyway, we're done here in Asakusa. Pabalik na kami ulit sa Fufuka, sa aming Airbnb.
Ako hindi, ikaw pupo ka.
Fufuka? Hello, nandito na kami sa aming Airbnb dito sa Sumida City. Time check, it's 10:30 p.m. already. As usual, namili lang kami ng mga snacks sa Family Mart. Yung malapit sa amin is Family Mart, Lawson, and several grocery stores actually. Again, we just flew with ANA today, and so far, it was a good experience with ANA again. Masarap yung food, okay naman yung service, and on time naman din kami dumating ng Tokyo. And then from Tokyo to here, nag-Skyliner kami, and mga 1 hour and a half yung biyahe natin, no, from airport to here sa Sumida City. So again, dito kami nakakuha ng Airbnb sa Sumida kasi ito yung murang bahay na nakita namin. So that's it. That ends our day 1 here in Tokyo. Magpapahinga na muna kami kasi wala pa kaming tulog from our flight this morning. Good night! Good night!